Let's talk about manual handling. We do it every day, often without even thinking. It's simply the act of using your body to move something. Think lifting boxes, pushing carts, or even carrying tools. Sounds simple, right? Well, here's the thing. Doing it wrong can lead to serious injuries. We're talking back pain, sprains, strains, and even hernias. Not pretty. That's why it's crucial to learn the right way to lift, push, and pull. It's not just about protecting yourself either. Safe manual handling is about looking out for your coworkers and creating a safer workplace for everyone. So, let's dive in and learn how to do it right. Let's face it, nobody wants to get hurt on the job. Whether you're working in a warehouse, an office, or on a construction site, safety should always be a top priority. Unfortunately, many of us overlook the importance of proper lifting techniques until it's too late. But the truth is, improper manual handling is a leading cause of workplace injuries. Statistics show that a significant percentage of workplace injuries are related to poor lifting practices. These injuries not only affect your health, but also impact productivity and can lead to costly medical bills. We're talking about thousands of people every year suffering from back pain, muscle strains, and more. These injuries can range from minor aches to severe conditions that require long-term treatment. Imagine having to deal with constant pain or even undergoing surgery because of something that could have been prevented. Think about it. Every time you lift something heavy without using proper technique, you're putting incredible stress on your back, muscles, and joints. This stress accumulates over time, leading to wear and tear. It's not just about lifting heavy objects. Even lifting lighter items incorrectly can cause damage. Over time, this can lead to wear and tear, chronic pain, and even serious injuries that can take you out of work. Chronic pain can be debilitating, affecting your quality of life and your ability to perform daily tasks. In some cases, it can even lead to permanent disability. The scary part is that these injuries often develop gradually. You might start with a slight discomfort that you ignore, thinking it will go away. But as you continue to lift improperly, the damage builds up. And before you know it, you're dealing with a serious injury. You might not even realize you're doing damage until it's too late. By the time you feel significant pain, the injury might already be severe. This delayed onset of symptoms makes it even more crucial to adopt safe lifting practices from the beginning. That's why it's crucial to learn and practice safe lifting techniques from the start. Proper training can teach you how to lift with your legs, keep the load close to your body, and avoid twisting your spine. These techniques can significantly reduce the risk of injury. Remember, your health is your wealth. Don't take unnecessary risks. Investing time in learning the correct lifting methods can save you from a lot of pain and trouble in the long run. Stay safe, stay healthy, and always prioritize your well-being. Now that we know the risks, let's talk about how to lift safely. Lifting heavy objects improperly can lead to serious injuries, especially to your back. It's crucial to follow the right techniques to ensure your safety and the safety of those around you. Think of your back like a bridge. Just as a bridge needs to be strong and well supported to carry heavy loads, your back needs proper support to handle lifting tasks. A strong bridge needs a solid foundation. Similarly, your body needs a stable base to lift safely. Before you lift anything, make sure you have a stable base with your feet shoulder width apart. This stance provides balance and reduces the risk of injury. Next, get close to the load. The closer you are to the object, the less strain you put on your back and arms. The further away it is, the more strain you put on your back. Always position yourself as close to the load as possible to minimize the risk of injury. Bend at your knees, not your waist. This technique helps you use the strength of your legs, which are much stronger than your back muscles. Keep your back straight and use your leg muscles to lift. Your legs are designed to handle heavy loads, so let them do the work. Remember to keep the load close to your body. Holding the object close reduces the leverage on your back and makes the lift easier. Holding it away from you increases the strain on your back. The further the load is from your body, the more force your back has to exert to lift it. And finally, when you're setting the load down, use the same technique in reverse. Bend your knees, keep your back straight, and avoid twisting. Twisting while lifting or setting down a load can cause serious injuries. Always turn your whole body, not just your torso, to avoid unnecessary strain. Pushing and pulling heavy objects might seem easier than lifting, but it still carries risks if you don't do it right. Just like with lifting, it's all about using your body mechanics to your advantage. When pushing, try to use your body weight to help move the object. Keep your back straight and your core engaged. Use smooth, controlled movements and avoid jerky motions. The same principles apply to pulling. Maintain a stable base, keep your back straight, and use your legs to generate force. And remember, if the object is too heavy or awkward to move safely on your own, don't hesitate to ask for help. There's no shame in teamwork. Section 5 works smarter, not harder, using mechanical aids. Who says you have to do everything by hand? We live in a world with amazing tools and equipment designed to make our lives easier and safer. So why not use them? Think about it. Dollies, hand trucks, pallet jacks, and forklifts can be your best friends when it comes to moving heavy loads. These tools are designed to take the strain off your body and reduce the risk of injury. Before you attempt to lift or move something heavy, take a moment to assess the situation. Is there a mechanical aid available that could make the job easier and safer? If so, use it. Your back will thank you. Section 6. Teamwork makes the dream work. Lifting together. They say two heads are better than one, and that's definitely true when it comes to manual handling. When you're dealing with heavy or awkward loads, teamwork is essential for safety. Before you start, communicate with your team. Discuss the best way to lift and carry the load, and make sure everyone understands their role. Lift together on a designated count to ensure a smooth and coordinated movement. Remember, communication is key. If anyone feels uncomfortable or unsafe at any point, they should speak up immediately. Teamwork isn't just about getting the job done, it's about looking out for each other. Section 7. Your back's best friend. Personal protective equipment. We've talked a lot about using your body safely, but let's not forget about protecting ourselves with the right gear. Personal protective equipment, or PPE, is essential in ensuring that we stay safe while performing various tasks, especially those that involve manual handling. PPE is crucial for minimizing risks during manual handling tasks. First up, gloves. Gloves are one of the most common pieces of PPE, and for good reason. They not only protect your hands from cuts and scrapes, but they also provide a better grip, which is essential for secure handling. Imagine trying to lift a heavy box without gloves. The risk of it slipping from your hands is significantly higher. With gloves, you can handle materials more confidently and reduce the likelihood of accidents. There are different types of gloves designed for various tasks, so make sure you choose the right ones for the job. Next, sturdy footwear is a must. Your feet are the foundation of your body, and protecting them is crucial. Look for slip-resistant soles and good ankle support to prevent slips, trips, and falls. Slip-resistant soles are particularly important in environments where floors might be wet or oily. Good ankle support helps in maintaining balance and preventing injuries. Depending on the task, you might also need back supports, knee pads, or even helmets. Back supports can help in maintaining proper posture and reducing the strain on your back during heavy lifting. Knee pads are essential for tasks that require kneeling, as they protect your knees from hard surfaces and potential injuries. Helmets are crucial in construction sites or any environment where there is a risk of falling objects. Remember, PPE is your last line of defense. It acts as a barrier between you and potential hazards. Always wear it properly and inspect it regularly for any damage. Damaged PPE can be as dangerous as not wearing any at all. Make it a habit to check your gear before starting any task. If you find any damage, replace the equipment immediately. Your safety is paramount, and using the right PPE can make all the difference in preventing injuries. Pause 3S. Section 8. Sharp skills. Proper use of cutting tools. While manual handling often focuses on lifting and moving objects, it's equally important to handle tools safely. One common tool in many workplaces is the safety knife. When opening a box with a safety knife, always cut away from the body. This simple rule can prevent a lot of potential injuries. Never rush the process. Take your time to ensure you're cutting in a controlled manner. Hold the box steady with one hand and make sure your cutting path is clear of any body parts. Using a safety knife properly not only protects you, but also keeps those around you safe. Additionally, always retract the blade after use. An exposed blade can be a hazard even when not in use. Make it a habit to check the condition of your safety knife regularly. A dull or damaged blade can be more dangerous than a sharp one, as it requires more force to cut and can easily slip. Remember, safety knives are designed to be safe, but only if used correctly. Respect the tool, follow these guidelines, and you'll add another layer of protection to your manual handling tasks. Section 8. Listen to your body. Recognizing and addressing pain. Your body has a way of telling you when something's wrong. Don't ignore the signs. If you experience any pain, discomfort, or stiffness during or after manual handling tasks, it's crucial to listen to your body and take action. Ignoring pain can lead to more serious injuries down the line. If you're hurting, stop what you're doing and report it to your supervisor. They can help you assess the situation, determine if you need to modify the task or seek medical attention. Remember, your health is your priority. Don't try to push through pain. It's always better to err on the side of caution. Section 9. Safety first, every time. A culture of prevention. Safe manual handling isn't just about following a set of rules, it's about creating a culture of safety in the workplace. It's about looking out for ourselves and each other every single day. This means encouraging open communication about safety concerns, providing regular training and education on proper manual handling techniques, and promoting the use of mechanical aids whenever possible. When everyone understands the importance of safety and feels empowered to speak up, we create a work environment where injuries are minimized and everyone goes home healthy. Section 10. The takeaway: your health is your wealth. At the end of the day, it all comes down to this. Your health is your most valuable asset. Injuries from improper manual handling can have lasting consequences, affecting your ability to work, enjoy your hobbies, and live life to the fullest. By learning and practicing safe manual handling techniques, using mechanical aids whenever possible, and promoting a culture of safety in the workplace, we can protect ourselves and each other from preventable injuries. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry. So let's work together to make every lift, push, and pull a safe one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow for more safety tips and updates.